Consumed by your desire for me. This heart beats for you, love. The record of my life plays. Sending these.
Hello, beautiful and blessed ones. It is Marsha Gauntlet Kirby, and welcome back to the Brown Face Bee. All right, this video is going to be all about what I got for graduation. Not everything I purchased for myself. There is one gift from hubby. I did get some cash, from family and friends, and I used that to buy a couple of the gifts. And I think this is going to be my first, I'm gonna say, luxury haul. Wait, is Karl Lagerfeld still considered luxury? Yeah, okay, so yeah, my first, I think so, my first luxury haul. So there was a tad bit of hesitancy to, when I thought about uploading this video, just a little bit, not that many, not that much, but because, I've seen other people who have uploaded luxury haul videos, and the comments, honey, and not to say I will get those same types of comments, but I was like, you know what, this video is going to serve as a diary, something that I can look back on to see just to show and remember what I have accomplished, okay? Because I did this with 2 kids, okay? A full-time job. I had I had to do 2 internships and a whole husband, okay? And let me just tell you, this program, I am glad that I'm on the other side, and I am so grateful for everything I learned, but this program dragged me, okay? It dragged me. It dragged me. Yeah, many nights when everyone was asleep, I was in the shower, me, Jesus, and my tears, okay? So this, like I said, is going to just be a reminder to myself that, girl, you did it. You did it. Oh, for those of you who are new, or for those of you who do not know, I just finished my master's in social work with an emphasis or concentration in clinical mental and behavioral health. So I started taking classes in 2019, and I applied to the program. I got accepted in 2021, went full through fall, spring, summer for 3 years, and I graduated on May 13th of this year, May 13th, 2024. All right, let's roll the tape. I'm gonna get rid of the clothing item first. There was another piece, I forgot to mention that. That's not luxury, but it was a pretty penny. It was the most I think I've paid for a pair of pants. You would have seen that it was from Anthropologie. They were wide leg. They were a citron, a very bright a citron color. And you would have seen that in what's new in my wardrobe. It was a couple of videos back. I will try to link it in the cards somewhere, or link it down below. This is, I did get myself, a jacket. It was right before graduation, because, May could either go, it could run towards the warmer side or cooler side. So I did get a jacket. I will maybe put up a B-roll or put up a picture somewhere on the screen so you can see that. But then as fall comes, I will be styling the jacket. Anyway, so I got this cute, can you see it? This Karl Lagerfeld Paris dress. There's no try on. Anyway, this dress, it's now sold out, and it's cotton, it's very thick and nice. I think this is my first Karl Lagerfeld, well, no. I want to say clothing piece. I do have shoes by Karl Lagerfeld, and I did have a bag, but I returned it. Actually, the bag would have went perfect with this because it was black and white. Anyway, Karl Lagerfeld dress, but what I love about this, it has poplin at the bottom. Like, I know Zara does this a lot, the mixed material. So yeah, this is the dress I got. This is cute, fun, flirty, and I got this in a small, but not that it matters, because I'm not gonna link this because there are no more. All right, one of the gifts I got to myself, and this was from Satya. I got this from Satya because, all right, it was the cheapest that I found for this pin, and this pin has been on my wish list for a while, but when I received it, I understood why the pin was cheaper than every other site. It's a small. I didn't know there were variations in the pin, but I got this YSL brooch. That's what it is, brooch. This YSL, I'm sorry, this is not from Satya. This is from Farfetch. But it's tinier than I thought it was going to be, but it will still work. We can put this on whatever we're wearing. I was actually thinking of wearing, because I've seen some people put their brooches, like the Chanel brooches and stuff, on their berets, so we can probably do that, or wherever, on a collar, wherever wherever I want a little pop of luxury, that's where I'll put it. Can you guys see it? Yeah, so it's the gold YSL brooch. I am a lover of YSL. It's just, I love YSL and I love Gucci, okay? Those are my two favorite luxury brands. So this was something else that I was looking at. Well, let me not lie. There was one item that I wanted to purchase myself, which would have not allowed me to get any of these gifts. But I don't know what happened. It was a Gucci Boston bag that I was stalking for the last year and a half. But when I went to look for the bag to say, okay, let me start getting things together, the bag was, it was sold out, but that was because they were getting rid of that inventory. So sadly, I didn't get that bag. It is on Vestiaire Collective. I do have it like saved, but that'll probably be for way later on. Anyway, so I moved on. I moved on to YSL, and I got this. This is one of the gifts I used the cash from my friends and family to get. This is, look at this. It's a document holder, but I am going to use it as a clutch. Darling, look at the pink nails. Look at the pink nails on the YSL clutch. And it has a wristlet, which is what I wanted. So you can take yes, I am rich. Yes, rich in Jesus, okay? Yeah, you can take the wristlet off, like I'm doing here, and just, carry. I should have probably stood up, but hold it under your arm, or you can put the wristlet back on and just put that over your wrist. I did see this this is new. This was from, where was this? This was from Satai, because it was everywhere else. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. So I saw it, like I said, I usually go in to research the items or just make sure the items are there, because graduation was approaching. When I researched this one, I knew it was there, but I went back after graduation, and when I went on the site, back to the YSL site, it wasn't there. And I wanted this version because this was the larger one. I wanted, just in case, I don't think I'm going to be putting my iPad in here, but you never know. If I want to put my iPad, I want to make sure it fits in there. When I went to YSL, there were no more of these left. So I'm not sure if they phased these out. So I did see this on Satire and I think it was Neiman Marcus, I want to say. Anyway, Neiman Marcus and another site had it for full price. I think it was $8 or $7.95 or maybe $8, and Satire had this for, I think it was a little above $5. So I jumped on this purchase right here. I don't even know. Anyway, this is I don't know what this is. Is this like a dust bag or what? But as you can see, it says Prada. Yeah, I'm not sure what. I guess the item goes in here. I saw this a while ago on what is my friend in my head, because I've been following her for like over 10 years at this point. Falake Huntun, I want to say. Her style is, oh my gosh. Anyway, she used to have a blog called Style Pantry. She no longer has that blog. That blog. She is posting posting regularly on Instagram, and I came across one of the posts, and she had this on. Like everything that she has, I want to purchase, but I was like, all right, Marsha, take it easy. Actually, I did, the first thing, because I saw her with it, the first thing that I purchased was a pair of Dries Van Noten shoes, these sandals that half your feet or half your toes are covered and half not, but then they didn't work out because, first of all, they were a little bit too small, and I got those at a good price too. Like everything I've been finding at a good price, because those shoes are originally another $800, and I got those for a really good price. But they didn't, the toe box would have killed me, because it had the little strap that kind of separates your toe, and wearing it around the house was already killing me. And like I said, they were already too small. So I returned that and used that money to get this. And this was a little cheaper. Oh, I forgot to show you the box. Look at this, the Prada box. Oh, this is my second item from Prada. I do have a pair of Prada sandals. that I got on a really good deal. That was at the height of 2020. I got those. They're sitting somewhere in my closet. Anyway, I should have wore a collar shirt so you can see it. Ooh. This was from the men's section, okay? And y'all know how I live for a good olive green, a good camel green. It is a camel green Prada tie. Prada tie. Oh, this is going to go with so many items. I'll have to steam it or press it. Look at that. It is black and silver, but even still, oh my goodness me, look at this. I tried it on after I first received it. I haven't worn anything yet, but I tried it on after I first received it, and it just looked, oh my goodness, because I was like, you know, you get buyer's remorse, like, oh my goodness, should I even spend that much on a tie? But this was, no, it looks, it's gorgeous. So I can't wait for fall. Actually, I don't have to wait for fall because when I saw Falake, she had it on with a short collared shirt. And I want to say, no, let me not lie on her. I know it was a short collared shirt. I'm not sure what she had on the bottom. So I guess this goes in here. I'm not sure, but I'm going to keep it in the box because I love the packaging for when this arrived was gorgeous. Oh my goodness me. It had a little, oh, where did it dropped? Hold on. Yeah, it was wrapped up so beautifully with this little, what is this thing called? I don't know what it's called. It's stretchy, but this I actually put on over a shirt, what do you call it? A poplin shirt as a belt, and it worked. So listen, 2 for 1. For the last item, last but certainly not least, this is the gift from my husband. Now I don't remember. I should have tried to recall this female's name. She has a large Louis Vuitton collection. She has a large collection. I think it's Wife with Expensive Habits. Yeah, I think that's her name. If it's not, I will put it up on the screen. Wife with Expensive Habits. She has, first of all, she's gorgeous. She has, I think, 4 kids. But I don't even understand her luxury bag collection. Anyway, she was going through bags and going through her favorite Louis Vuitton bags. And I happened upon her channel, I want to say, I think it was very early this year. So, you know, I have a Neverfull, and I do love the Neverfull. It served its purpose. It served its purpose. I got it right after I had my first child. It was a push gift to myself. So I used to throw everything in there. I used to throw, if we were going out, if I was going out and wanted to look nice, I would even throw like maybe bottles or whatever she needed inside that bag. And now I use it for work, and I was using it for school because, you know, all the books and papers I had to carry. But that thing can get a bit heavy and it could be a bit bulky at times. So she was doing a comparison between, I think it was the Neverfull and some other bags, and she mentioned this one that I'm going to show you. So this would be my second Louis Vuitton piece. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm not big into Louis Vuitton. I don't think so. I don't ever foresee me having like this huge Louis Vuitton collection. But when I saw this bag, I was like, this, I think it's, for me, perfect for my lifestyle. It's, like I said, smaller than the Neverfull, but not too big. And I like a big bag, but not too big. I can carry it if I needed to, carry it to work, carry it for shopping, carry it even for a night out. And this was an experience. When we went to the store, because I didn't know we were gonna get it that day we went. If you are following me on Instagram, I put up a reel of the day that we went to the store. All right, so this is, if I can get it out of the box, and I haven't, like I said, I haven't worn anything yet. Everything has just been sitting, so. All right, we're gonna pop this box over here, and I hold on to all my boxes, okay? Just pop that there. All right. This is the Louis Vuitton Graceful. And it has the pink inside. There's another size to this actually. It's just a little smaller than the Neverfull, but I didn't want that one, and it was only $100 more. But I didn't want anything too big. I just wanted something right in between, just a medium-sized bag here with the pink inside, and my strap. Look at this. I really should have stood up for this video so you can see. But anyway, yes, so that is my new Louis. I do call Louis Sir. I've been posting a lot on Instagram. So Sir Louis, my new Sir Louis Vuitton Graceful bag. All right, guys, that is it for me. These are all the things I got for my graduation. Let me know what was your favorite piece to see, or if there was anything that you were surprised that I picked up. Anyway, have a blessed week, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.
You help me get past this, take my